Prepare to be enchanted by the grace and beauty of this exceptional pair of Polychrome Prancing and Flehming horses, crafted circa 1765 in Delft. Marked LPK for the Porceleyne Lampetkan, the Porcelain Ewer factory, these stallions stand as a testament to the ingenuity of Delftware artisans. Each horse, with its striking blue eyes, manes and tails, exudes an aura of strength and vitality. Adorned with decorative blue fringed blankets and yellow and iron accents, these horses command attention wherever they stand. These magnificent horses boast a prestigious provenance, having been part of the renowned collection of Jacques Couque in Paris before making their way to a French private collection in the mid-1990s. In a remarkable twist of fate, these horses are the only known pair of their kind. In the mid-1990s, my late father Dave and I had the privilege of encountering them at the private preview of the Paris Biennale. I remember the excitement of seeing them for the first time, their uniqueness captivating us instantly. Sadly, at that time, we were just too late to acquire them, but now they have found their way back to us, and I'm sure my dad is smiling from above. What sets these horses apart is not only their stance, but also their unique behavior, rarely depicted in Delftware figurines. The phenomenon of Flehming. This distinctive pose, characterized by neck extension and head elevation, adds a layer of realism and intrigue to these already exceptional sculptures. These exquisite pieces originate from the esteemed Parisian private collection and highlight of our showcase at TEFA Maastricht 2024. Featured in the 2024 annual Delftware publication, they embody the pinnacle of Dutch ceramic artistry. While the previous owner prefers their anonymity, their commitment to preserving the heritage of these treasures is evident. To uphold transparency and ensure the integrity of each acquisition, we have collaborated once again with Provenance Plus. Through this partnership, we have verified the ownership history and transaction details, including comprehensive payment process conducted via bank transfer. This meticulous approach not only underscores the legitimacy of our acquisitions, but also provides the discerning collector with confidence in the provenance of each piece. As we marvel at the splendor of these exceptional horses, let us cherish the craftsmanship and artistry that brought them to life. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and consider exploring another video from our channel by clicking here. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the circle to stay updated on our latest releases. Until next time.